Growing on Snapchat is one of the hardest things to do when starting out on becoming a Snapchat influencer, but there are a couple tricks that you can utilize to grow fast without working too hard. Hey guys, what's up? It's Reese Tafts of the Snapchat Encyclopedia, and in today's video, I'm going to cover how to get Snapchat subscribers fast and easy. This video has been requested by many of my subscribers, and if you'd like to request a video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications. To start off, let's go over what causes Snapchat growth. Snapchat growth comes from people watching your story and sharing with their friends. This then causes the Snapchat algorithm to share your story with more people. The amount of time someone watches your story for and the amount of people they send your story to determines if Snapchat will share your story with more people too. That being said, people like to watch stories about things they like, and that's why you should pick a niche. A niche is a category in which you specialize posting stories about such as cars, luxury lifestyle, or satisfying videos. Now, if you're having trouble picking a niche, just think of things that you like to watch and think of things that you are around a lot. If you go on Instagram and you find a lot of memes, maybe a meme niche would be the best niche for you. Now, most people, once they pick a niche, have trouble finding content to post daily. Take for say a car niche. To get content for this every day, what I do is I go on TikTok and I find car videos by just searching up the hashtag luxury cars. Once I find the videos, I go to a website that I'll link in the description below, and I download the videos so there's no tags on it. Now, once I download the video, I'll post it to my story with my username mentioned but not being able to be seen, meaning I'll put my username to the very side. I'll then post this to Snapchat Spotlight and to my story. Another thing you can do is whenever you post, make sure you put a caption that asks people to send to their friends if they agree. If you're in a meme niche and you have a funny meme that you think people would enjoy, make sure you put on the caption, send to 10 friends if you think this is funny. Anything like that encourages viewers to send to their friends, which then gets more people to view your story. But the fastest way to grow on Snapchat is to post videos to Spotlight. And once you find your niche and start posting videos, this will help you grow fast and make sure it's not visible in the video. Alright guys, that's everything for this video. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.